What is an array? An array is a group of objects arranged in rows and columns. This is a row, it goes across, and columns goes up and down. Now let's draw an array. Here's a math problem that we're going to solve. There are 3 rows. There are 3 cats in each row. There go row 1 with 3 cats, row 2 with 3 cats, row 3 with 3 cats. To find out how many cats, we would add 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. Let's draw another array with columns in the story problem. There are 3 columns. There are 3 cats in each column. Column 1 has 3 cats. Column 2 has 3 cats. And column 3 has 3 cats. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. Let's practice solving word problems using an array. Mrs. Smith places the desks in her classroom in 5 columns. She puts 3 desks in each column. How many desks are in her classroom? There go column 1 with 3 desks, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. What should we write in the blanks below to find out how many desks are in Mrs. Smith's classroom? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. There are 15 desks in Mrs. Smith's classroom.